If DaVinci Resolve is giving you a DLL error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest and safest way to fix it step by step. This is one of those errors that can stop Resolve from opening properly, but in many cases, the fix is straightforward once you know what to check. We're going to cover the most common cause, which is missing or corrupted DLL files, and also an incomplete installation of the program. So if you want to get back to editing without the headache, keep watching. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes and editing tutorials. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells me to make more videos like this. All right, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is close DaVinci Resolve completely. If the application is stuck open in the background, any repair or reinstall process can run into issues, so make sure Resolve is fully shut down. If needed, open your Task Manager on Windows and check that there are no Resolve processes still running. Once everything is closed, you're ready for the next step. Now, the main fix here is to reinstall DaVinci Resolve using the official installer. This is important because a DLL error often means that one or more files were not installed correctly, got corrupted, or were accidentally removed. By reinstalling from the official source, you restore the missing program files and replace broken ones with fresh copies. Go to the official Blackmagic Design download page and download the latest version of DaVinci Resolve that matches your system. Then run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes and continue the installation. Once the reinstall is complete, don't open the app just yet, because we still need to make sure all required dependencies are installed too. The next step is to install the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. This is a very common requirement for programs like DaVinci Resolve because it provides important runtime components that many applications depend on to launch correctly. If these files are missing or outdated, Resolve may throw a DLL-related error even after a reinstall. To do this, go to Microsoft's official website and download the most recent Visual C Redistributable package for your system. Install it, then complete the setup. If you already had an older version installed, updating it can still help because it refreshes the required components. This step is especially useful when the error is caused by dependency problems rather than the Resolve installation itself. Once that's done, restart your system. This part is easy to skip, but it matters. Restarting your computer helps register the new system files and allows Windows to fully apply the changes from the reinstall, so don't skip this step. After your computer comes back on, open DaVinci Resolve and test it again. This is the moment where you check whether the fix worked. If the application launches and no longer shows the DLL error, then you've successfully solved the problem. At that point, you should be good to go. If Resolve still gives you trouble, double-check that you use the official installer, that the Visual C Redistributable was installed correctly, and that your Windows updates are current. In most cases, though, these steps are enough to fix the issue because they address the two biggest causes, missing or corrupted DLL files and incomplete installation. So to recap, the full fix is close DaVinci Resolve, reinstall it using the official installer, install the latest Microsoft Visual C Redistributable, restart your system, and then open Resolve again to test it. That simple process solves a lot of DLL error problems for many users. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more practical tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.